Welcome to Jeju Diaries. Today, we are taking you on a journey to one of South Korea's most beautiful destinations, the Udo Island. To visit Udo Island, you will need to catch a ferry from Jeju Island. If you want the convenience of exploring Udo at your own pace, you can bring your car along for a small additional fee. However, if you are planning to get around using rented bikes or cars on the island, you can leave your vehicle behind and travel light. The ferry ride itself is one of the best experiences. If the weather is pleasant and it's not raining, you will witness the beauty of sea while taking a ride on the ferry. Look at that. We are leaving a trail of white caps in our wake. The ferry is churning up the water, creating this beautiful pattern of waves. It is like we are painting the ocean with our passage. Many people bring their cars with themselves to enjoy Udo Island. Udo Island is a sea of green. Rolling fields stretch over the island like a lush emerald carpet unfurling before us. And those flowers in the pond, a splash of color against all this green. It is so peaceful here, a perfect escape from the city. Now this is something else. Udo Island is a world of its own. Look at this incredible coastline, a patchwork of dark stones and crystal clear water. It feels like stepping onto the moon with these otherworldly rock formations stretching as far as the eye can see. These ancient stone structures are a testament to the island's rich history. Built with meticulous craftsmanship using locally sourced volcanic rocks, they offer a glimpse into the lives of the people who once called Udo home. Imagine the challenges they faced in constructing these sturdy shelters against the elements. And the view out to the sea is just breathtaking. This is what I call a hidden gem. A lush carpet of green stretches out as far as the eye can see. It is like nature's own masterpiece. The air is so fresh and clean here. And that gazebo in the distance, it looks like the perfect spot to relax and soak in this stunning view. I can almost feel the peacefulness of this place. Check out this lookout post. Can you imagine the view from the top? We can see for miles, taking in the whole beauty of Udo Island. These structures were strategically placed for a reason. The military used them to keep watch over the coastline. From up here, they could spot any potential threats from afar, protecting the island and its people. It is amazing to think about the history behind this spot. Now this is nature's own color palette. Look at how the vibrant green of the hills meets the stark black of the volcanic rocks, creating this incredible contrast. And then there is the ocean, a dazzling shade of turquoise that seems to glow in the sunlight. It is like a masterpiece painted right before our eyes. Look at these adorable donkeys. Not only you can take in the stunning coastal views on Udo Island, but you can also enjoy a unique experience by riding one of these friendly donkeys. Imagine trotting along the cliffside with the salty sea breeze in your hair and the most incredible scenery surrounding you. It will be a truly unforgettable way to explore this beautiful island. Every now and then, a speedboat cuts through the water, leaving a dramatic wake in its path. It is like a racetrack out there with boats zooming in and out of sight. It is incredible how much life and energy these boats bring to the otherwise peaceful ocean scenery. Udo Island is also home to some truly special residents, horses. As you explore the island, you will encounter these gentle giants at various spots, patiently waiting to take you on an unforgettable adventure. You can also have an unforgettable ATV adventure on Udo Island. This thrilling experience takes you across rolling green hills, offering stunning panoramic views of the island's natural beauty. A winding wooden path, soft beneath your feet, leading you through a lush green paradise. On one side, a breathtaking panorama of the ocean unfolds, with crashing waves and towering cliffs. On the other, rolling hills and vibrant meadows invite you to explore. You can take a leisurely stroll and immerse yourself in the tranquility of this stunning path. Just look at this breathtaking view. The turquoise water is an absolute dream. It clashes dramatically against the dark volcanic cliffs, creating a scene straight out of a postcard. The lush green hills rolling down to meet the ocean complete this masterpiece of nature. It is a view that is hard to put into words. You simply have to see it to believe it. Now this is no ordinary coastline. Look at that stunning contrast between the pure white sand and the deep blue ocean. It is like a masterpiece painted by nature itself. Unlike the dramatic black rock beaches we saw earlier, this white sandy paradise offers a completely different experience. Udo means cow island, and it is so named because it resembles a cow lying down. Its blue sea, cozy meadows and white sandy beaches are particularly impressive. The night view of Udo under the stars is said to be a different kind of beauty. It is time to wrap up our Udo Island trip. We have to board the ferry once again and enjoy the sea views while going back to Jeju Island. It has been an incredible journey filled with stunning beaches and unforgettable experiences. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour as much as I did. Stay tuned for more amazing adventures. Until next time, happy travels.